A Cobalt is a cryptocurrency empowering the small businesses everywhere. It is putting all the working capital back into the hands of those who need it the most. And the Cobalt lending platform aims to bring together the borrowers into a fair democratic voting community in order to get all size loans from the micro loans to six-figure loans, all without the oversight of a bank, completely governed by the community, and therefore the community directly profits from its involvement. The current credit system is fundamentally flawed, and the Cobalt platform corrects this by facilitating a community voted and approved lending program. And in this video, I will elaborate all the things, especially about the airdrop and the public sale of the Cobalt.
Feel uninvited.
Now here you can see the entire website of the Cobalt. I will share all the links in the description so you can easily join, and even you can join the airdrop. It is entirely free, and also you can participate in the public sale which will be live from tomorrow. Now the best thing that this is not only the coin that you are going to buy and you just have to hold. If you are going to buy this coin, you will be the part of the entire ecosystem. How it will be done? Now I am going to tell you something entirely interesting about this cryptocurrency. That for the borrowers on the blockchain, that is completely based off the merits of the project, never seeing the race, color or the individual's background. The only criteria considered for the loans will be merit of the project and the collateral provided by the borrower. Then the community will be left to decide on funding the proposal or rejecting it. Stakers and validators are the main backbone of the ecosystem and will be compensated in two ways. The first one is by verifying the blocks and the transactions on the blockchain and receiving the transaction fees that will be split with the treasury and a small portion burned. Second, by the dividends paid out basically periodically from the treasury based on the positive performance of the projects funded through the community voting process. Here you can see the entire community, and also you can simply join them on the social media because the team is available for you 24/7 and they are going to answer each and every question of yours. And here comes the entire white paper of the Cobalt token and also about the Cobalt platform. Now the best thing which I am going to share with you, that it's your time to buy the token directly from the main website. The main public sale will run on the main website for 30 days and it's entirely very easy for you to buy the token. Here you can see the introduction and also that how the CBLT is going to work in the entire ecosystem and how it is going to give the advantages to the borrowers, lenders and especially the token holders. Now the best thing about this token, first of all, if you didn't join them, do follow them on all the social media. Here you can see the entire links of all the social media. Now the second thing, here you can see the pre-registration for the token sale. It's entirely very easy. You just have to sign up first of all on the main website, and then you have to fill up all the documents like your first name, last name, your Cobalt Lend username, your email address, your main country where you are living, and in which token you want to buy that. You want to buy the CBLT from Ethereum, BTC, and also you can buy the token in BNB pair. So it's entirely very easy, and then you have to enter your personal MyEther wallet address, MetaMask or your Trust wallet to receive the CBLT tokens. And here you can also see the excluding countries. You must have to check if you are from these countries, then don't participate in this private sale. And now after this, it's entirely very easy to join the earn drop. Here you can see number of main challenges are available over here: Facebook challenge, Twitter challenge, Instagram, YouTube challenge, Medium challenge and Snapchat challenge. So you can easily join, and even I will also share the earn drop on our second channel, Earn with Freedom. So stay tuned over there also. Now, here you can see the entire thing about the CBLT, that how it will work, and easily you can join the airdrop. And for example, if you are going to join the Facebook challenge, you will get 4525 CBLT tokens, and then you have to enter your name and details, and here you have to decide which the main social media you are participating in, and then you have to enter your entire links over here, and simply you can join the earn drop. Now the main thing about this entire platform, you must have to sign up on the CBLT by clicking on the my account, and then here you can see the option of the login, but you have to click on the sign up now first of all, and simply enter your email address, password, username, first name, last name, and simply sign up on the main platform. So if you like this video, kindly hit the like button.